Taurus, it's Suzanne with Sunny Forest Tarot. How are you? And welcome or welcome back. This is going to be your reading for March 3rd through the 10th. And I'm adding an additional card in this week's reading. It'll really help me to see who is who, more so in the readings. So we're adding this first card to get kind of the general energy for each of you, or for you and the person that you're watching this for. All right, so let's see what we have here. First, we have strengthening bonds for Taurus. Okay. And we have just breathe. All right. So this is like the Ace of Pentacles, and this is like the Four of Swords, okay? You know, when I was shuffling your cards before the reading, I heard secrets, okay? I'm just putting it out there that that's the word that came to mind. So I feel like there could be somebody that you are looking to start something new, and it's not a new connection. I mean, it's a new connection, but it's somebody that you've had some ongoing interaction with. I feel like that there's something, look how, you know, we can only see the back of this person. You know, I feel like, you know, you have insight and knowledge about something that this person does not. I think it could be unspoken feelings. I feel like the seeds have been planted through interactions between you and this person. This person might be picking up on your energy. I think this person, see in this card how this person is almost connecting with their inner self. They're feeling something. They might be feeling this energy between the two of you. And it's kind of taking their breath away. All right, so that's the initial energy that I'm picking up here, Taurus. Let's see, I'm going to use the Thelema cards. These are, you probably hear me say that a lot of the cards that I use are beautiful, and they are. I'm very drawn to pretty people, pretty pictures, pretty artwork, and these cards are certainly no exception. The artwork is just beautiful. I mean, look at that. She looks like a little Barbie. She's so pretty. Look at, so pretty. The artwork is by Renata Lechner, and this is the deck by Lo Scaribo in Italy. Okay. Barney, I just dropped the box. Don't worry. All right, one more shuffle. All right, let's see what's going on for Taurus. This looks like it might be interesting. 8 of Wands. All right, so either, well, hold on. An Ace of Cups. Yeah. So I feel like this person is feeling some real strong emotion that maybe they weren't expecting, okay, about their connection with you. You're thinking about it. You know, I feel like this isn't something that either one of you have discussed or talked about. I feel like you are going to do something or communicate about this, or somebody is going to communicate to you, but I feel like it's going to be you, honestly. This person is, you know, feeling like this might be kind of in their head, but they're feeling the energy of it. I think you are going to be the one that communicates based on where the card sits and the direction that the wands are going. Yeah, Queen of Wands. You're moving forward, Taurus. This feels like a masculine energy, okay? For sure. Even with the Queen of Wands. The characteristics of the Queen of Wands is somebody that's very, very confident, you know, presents themselves confidently, seductive. You might have a seductive quality that you're not even aware of, okay? You're very vibrant, you're warm, you give, you know, you give more than, you know, people expect. However, this communication might be difficult for you, okay? It might be through, it actually might be through a text or an email. You tend to be more of the strong, silent type. So it may take a lot for you to do this, but you're definitely in this energy of feeling confident enough to have this communication with somebody. This person down here is definitely feels like a feminine energy. Page of Pentacles. This person feels very lucky to have met you. Okay, and they see you as just an amazing person, an amazing opportunity in their life. They are feeling this. Absolutely. And it's not just, you know, it's not just, they're not just in their head and in their heart space, but it's a grounded energy. You know, they've had enough interaction with you to know that you could be somebody that really balances them. You know, we've got air and earth energy here, and we've got fire energy here, and earth. Ace of Wands, yeah. Look at this. You are so passionate about this connection with this person, but you haven't talked about it. You're keeping it a secret. You're thinking about communicating. This will be difficult for you, but honestly, it's kind of a fake it till you make it in this energy, because this person sees you as extremely confident and savvy and sexy and witty, you know, there's really nothing you could say to really mess this up. And you are feeling just extremely attracted to somebody. This person down here. 9 of Wands. Okay, so I think that this person down here, while, I feel like they feel that this is a little bit one-sided, I don't think they're aware of this at all. Okay? They feel like this is, kind of, they're suspicious of their own feelings towards you. Let's get a clarifier for that. Why are they questioning, and why are they actually suspicious of themselves and their own intuition? I don't think they believe that you have any feelings towards them. I think they think they're a little bit nuts. Tower. Okay. I think that this is such an overwhelming idea for them, because I think they see you as an ideal partner, and it's so unbelievable to them that you have just come into their life. And maybe you came into their life for other reasons. Okay, it doesn't feel like this was a first date. I feel like you came together under other circumstances. And this person is just blown away by you. And I think you're blown away by them too. But you're keeping it a secret right now. I think you want to strengthen, I think you want to build it off of the friendship. I think the bond right now is a strong friendship, and you're dying to tell them otherwise. You're dying to tell them that you do have feelings. And when you find the confidence you already have the confidence, really. You can't mess this up. You can't. If you just do it. Whatever you say will be the right thing. See that? This is a passionate new beginning. And this person needs to hear it. They do. They're waiting for it. Just saying. They're waiting for it. And they're thinking they're crazy for thinking it too. Because you have a big personality. When you get to know somebody, you have a big personality and you're very confident. But when you're falling in love, you get real quiet. All right, let's get some validation for Taurus. One more. All right. All right, let's see. Okay. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. All right, so this could be why you're in this energy of being quiet. You know, when you were younger, when you spoke up about something or you became vulnerable in expressing yourself, you might have gotten shut down by your parents, if you have a big family, you might have just been kind of shoved aside in a way when you were expressing yourself. Or this could be that, you know, this was a family that really didn't say I love you a lot or didn't show a lot of affection, and that makes it a little bit challenging for you now to do that even though you're intensely feeling that. Down here, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Okay, I feel like this is a very, very feminine energy, and I feel like this is a very masculine energy. As far as make the effort here for this feminine energy, I would say simply stay open to receiving from this person. Okay, that's how you can make the effort. Okay, being the person that makes the first move in this situation, you know, this is a strong masculine energy. This masculine energy wants to make the move. Okay, so by you staying in your feminine energy and receiving it, that's the way to go here. Okay, so the effort for you is probably holding back a little bit. All right, you're not crazy. The energy is here for those of you that are cross-watching. All right, so just breathe. What you're feeling is real. I know you can't believe it. This feels very lucky to you as the cross-watcher, or possibly you, but I feel like this is Taurus. That's the male energy. Could be male or female though. And I know you can't believe this, but I think it's exactly what you think it is. Okay? All right, Taurus. That's what I have for you. Very interesting. All right. It is a general reading though, however, and it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't, or if you want something that is more personal and private, I'm happy to do a personal reading for you. All the information is in the description box below. If not, no problem. I will talk to you next time, and have a great week. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.